we're going to look at solving a multi-step equation. We're going to solve the equation 5 times the quantity x minus 3 equals 2x plus 6. Now, when I'm solving equations, one of the first things I like to do is to draw that line down from our equal sign so that we remember that everything we do to one side of the equation, we do to the other. We need to keep them balanced. Now, when you have the distributive property here, you want to go ahead and distribute that out. So we're going to multiply that 5 across the quantity x minus 3. We're going to end up with a 5x, and 5 times 3 is 15, so we get 5x minus 15. And we didn't do anything to this side, so we're just going to leave it alone. Now, the goal of solving an equation is to get our variable, in this case it's an x, onto one side of that equal sign. And it doesn't matter which way you do it. So I'm going to go ahead and work with the right side of the equation. I'm going to subtract, since it's a positive 2x, I'm going to subtract a 2x. And then what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I'm going to subtract that. Now, we're going to be left with no x's. 2x minus 2x is 0, so we're just going to be left with that 6. And on this side, we had 5 x's. We're taking away 2. That leaves us with 3 x's minus 15. We've done the same thing to both sides of our equation. And all of our variables are on one side. Now I'm going to look at this minus 15. Since we are subtracting 15, I'm going to do the exact opposite. I'm going to add 15 to both sides of this equation. Now, if you're taking away 15 and adding 15, those are going to cancel each other out, and we're just going to be left with that 3x. On this side, x plus 15 is 21. Now, we are left looking at this coefficient in front of the variable. Now remember, the coefficient is multiplying. So the opposite of multiplying, of course, is division. So we're going to divide both sides by 3. This side, that leaves us with just that x. And over here, 21 divided by 3 is 7. So x equals 7. And that is the solution to our multi-step equation.